Today we are going to solve the pre-test bridge course 2022-23 standard 5th subject maths. You have to write here your name, student's name, and maximum marks are 15. Question number 1. For the Republic Day program, Manav practiced singing from 21st January to 24th January. How many days did she practiced in total? So she practiced from 21st January to 24th January. Means 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. So answer will be she practiced 4 days in total. Question number 2. Solve the example. This is a sum 3578 plus 4587. 3578 and this is 4587. We have to add them. Now 8 plus 7 15, carry 1. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 5 11, carry 1. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8. The answer is 8165. Okay. Now third question. Solve the example vertically. These are the numbers, we have to subtract them. So we will write the number here 5320 and 450. We have to subtract it. 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 5 नहीं होता. 2 is smaller than 5. We will borrow 1 from this number 3. This will become 2 and this will become 12. 12 minus 5 7. 2. 2 is less than 4. So we will have to again borrow from 5. This is 12 and this will become 4. 12 minus 4 8 and this is 4. 4870. Now next question. In a school 11 students in each row for a prayer. How many students in 15 rows? There are the number of students in each row is equal to 11 and number of rows is equal to 15. Therefore total number of students is equal to 11 into 15. 11 multiplied by 15. 11 5s are 55. Carry 5. 11 1s are 11 plus 5 16. So number of total students is 165. Now question number 5. Kedar brought 48 notebooks as a birthday gift. If he decides to share 3 notebooks to each friend, how many friends will get the notebooks? Number of total notebooks are 48 and each friend will get 3 notebooks. So we will divide 48 by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 4 minus 3 1. ये 8 को हम नीचे लाएंगे. अब ये हो गए 18. 3 6 18 0 0. तो आंसर इज 16. तो हम लिखेंगे 16 फ्रेंड्स will get the notebooks. Okay, now question number 6. Solve 545 divided by 5. So this is 5 and this is 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 0. अब हम यहाँ 4 को नीचे लाएंगे, लेकिन 5 से 4 स्मॉलर है इसलिए डिवाइड नहीं होता. तो हम ऊपर आंसर में 0 लगाएंगे, फिर हम 5 नीचे लाएंगे. आपको पता है हम एक बार में एक ही नंबर नीचे ला सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी हो गए 45. तो 5 9s are 45. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज both Gokul and Maruti had 100 rupees each. Gokul spent rupees 12 and Maruti spent rupees 18. How much money do they each have left? Money left with Gokul is equal to 100 minus 12. So 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8, 88 rupees. Money left with Maruti 100 minus 18. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 1 8, 82. Okay, now if we added 4 tens and 3 hundreds in the given number 1275, what will be the answer? So this is the given number 1275. If we added 4 tens means 40 and 300 means 300, what will be the number? Now we will add these numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 0 5. 7 plus 4 plus 0. 7 plus 4 11 plus 0 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. And this is 1615. This will be the answer. Now this is Rajan's runway and this is Anil's runway. Rajan's runway is 4 meter plus 3 meter plus 4 meter plus 3 meter. Total in all, what will be the number? 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 11 plus 3 4 14 meter. Rajan ran 14 meter and this is Anil's runway. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 12 meter. Now on the above runway, if both of them completed one round, means Rajan completed 14 meter and Anil 12 meter. Mark the following statement as cross incorrect. Means the statement which is incorrect, we would have to mark it as cross. Okay, now what are the statements? Rajan ran 14 meter. This is correct, we have seen it. B, Anil ran 12 meters. This is also correct. Anil ran 2 meters more. We have seen Anil ran 12 meters and Rajan ran 14 meters. So this is incorrect. C is incorrect. Now we have to mark in sign of cross at C. Okay. If we see D option, Rajan ran 2 meters more. This is also correct. A, B and D are correct. Only C is incorrect. So we have put a sign of cross here. Now question number 10. Observe and write down the total amount given in the box. You would have seen here these are the currency notes pictures. 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 20 rupees. And this is coin of 5 rupees, 5 rupees and 2 rupees. 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 20, 190 plus 5, 195 plus 5, 200 and plus 2. This will be 202 rupees. Okay. Write the given fraction in words. 9 and this is half. This is 9 integer 1 by 2. Now write the answer by observing the following table. Here number there are 2 columns. In one names are given and there flowers, number of flowers are given, and the scale is 1 flower is equal to 10 flowers. Anjali 1 2 3 4, 4 means 40 flowers. Anjali has 40 flowers. Ruksar 1 and 2 means 20 flowers. Vaibhav 1 2 3 4 5, 5 into 10, 50 flowers. And Alia 1 2 3, 30 flowers. Now what is the question? How much flowers are less of Ruksar than the flowers of Anjali? Anjali has 40 flowers and Ruksar has 20 flowers. So Ruksar has 20 flowers less than Anjali. Okay. If the flowers of Anjali and Alia are combined, how much more will that number be than that of Vaibhav? Flowers of Anjali are 40 and flowers of Alia are 30. 40 plus 30, 70. And Vaibhav has 50 flowers. हम यूज़ कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 20. तो how much more will that number be than that of Vaibhav? That will be 20 more than that of Vaibhav. Now question number 13. Complete the pattern given below. This is the pattern given. First there are circles, circular shape, then rectangular shape and then triangular shape. Now circular shape is given, this is missing, so we will make triangular shape here. Now rectangular shape we have made. Now this is triangular shape given, and after triangular there is circular shape given. Here circular, then triangular, then circular. So we will make circular shape here. This is the answer. Now Amit has 24 boxes of mangoes. Question number 14. Amit has 24 boxes of mangoes, each containing 12 mangoes. So how many mangoes does he have in total? The 24 is can be split into 20 and 4, and 10 can be split into 10 and 2. So now we will multiply 10 by 10 to 20, 200. Now we will multiply 4 by 10, this will be 40. Now we will multiply 20 by 2, this will be 40, and 2 4s are 8. Now 200 plus 40, this is 240. 40 plus 8, this is 48. Now we will add them. 0 plus 8, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, and this is 2. So in all he would have 288 mangoes. This is the solution of the pre-test of Maths Standard 5. Do subscribe my channel.